Number 6 says, without sketching the graph, name the ordered pair where the graph of the two linear equations intersect. So I have x that is equal to 2 and y that is equal to -3. In the equation x equals 2, we will have points like this. As long as the x value is 2, it doesn't matter what the y value is. So I could have the point 2, -3, because the x value is a 2. In the equation y equals -3, I can have any x value as long as y is -3. So I could have +10, -3, as long as I have a -3 in the y's position. I could have -32, -3, because that also has a -3 in the y's position. But I could also have the point 2, -3, because it has a -3 in the y position. And if you notice, that works for this equation, and it works for this equation. So they are going to intersect at the point 2, -3. Now it says not to graph it, which you don't have to graph it in order to be able to figure this out. But if you were to graph it, just as a way to check, we want x's that are equal to 2. So there's going to be an x that's 2, and x equals a constant is going to be a vertical line. And y equals -3. Doesn't matter what the x values are, as long as you have -3, is going to be a horizontal line. So right here, they cross at 2, -3. You don't have to graph it, you're asked not to, but as a way to check, you can graph it, and you will see that 2, -3 is the point where they cross.